All right, let's look at the homework 3.6, problem number 3. All right, so let's find the y prime and y double prime. All right, so y prime first. All right, so you have a natural log, so we're going to put the quotient here. So whatever you have inside the natural log and put it here. So you have a 1 plus natural log of x. Right, so we have that. And then take the derivative of that, put it on top. So it's going to be 1 over x. So it's 1 over x there, right? But we can probably put the x on the bottom. So I'm going to do that. So 1 stays there, but the x can be placed down here. All right. Let's check the answer. All right. I came back and it looks like we got this one correctly here. All right. All right, then for y double prime, we just have to take the derivative of this guy here. All right, so I'm going to use the quotient rule. All right, so quotient rule, so I'm going to have a quotient here. Let's see, quotient here. All right, on the bottom, all you have to do is square this guy. So you have x squared, and then quantity 1 plus natural log of x. Squared, right? So that's the denominator. And then derivative of 1 is 0 times the denominator is going to be all 0, but I'm going to just write it. So 1 plus natural log of x, right? Minus, right? 1 times, right? The derivative of the bottom. So in order to take the derivative of the bottom, actually, before we do that, since this is going to be 0, can I just go ahead and erase this part? So 0 times anything is 0. So this part is all gone. So I'm just going to do that. Right, then we just have to, so minus, this is a 1 is the top, and then derivative of the bottom. So I'm going to use the product rule, right? X is the first guy, 1 plus natural log of x is the second guy. So derivative of x is 1 times the second, which is 1 plus natural log of x, right? Plus first guy is x, and then multiply by derivative of the second. Derivative of 1 is 0, and then derivative of natural log is 1 over x, 1 over x, right? So we have that. Then we just have to clean it up. Right, so x and x cancel out, so this is going to be just 1 here. So I'm going to just get rid of that. So this is going to be 1, right? And this 1 doesn't do anything, so I'm going to erase that. All right, then I'm going to just combine this one right here, and then that 1 right there. So that becomes just 2, right? Combining these two guys. Right, then we would have, so we don't really need these brackets there. So we have that. And then negative's -1. I'll probably put the negative sign in front. That looks probably better. So this is going to be negative sign in front. And then this is going to be divided by that. Sorry, I broke this, so I have to put that on the bottom. So here. Right, so here I'm going to just get rid of this. All right, so we have that. All right, so that's the derivative. So just a simple application of the quotient rule. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got both derivatives correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.